everyone, what's going on? Joey here, and I have some exciting news for you. This past Friday, the fences came down. That's right, look right over here. There is no more fence, which means the new section of the Wildwood Boardwalk is open. From Oak to Maple Avenue, look at this. It looks absolutely amazing. I want to go ahead and give you guys a tour. Today's actually the first day where we can actually film because for the past 3 days it's been raining and extremely windy. But look at this. It smells like a brand new boardwalk. Anyway, I'm going to give you guys a tour and a drone video before we get started. Make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my Patreons on patreon.com. It's because of you guys I get to do fun videos like this. Anyway, let's get started. For those who don't know, this was phase one of a multi-stage, multi-million-dollar project which will see many blocks of the Wildwood Boardwalk redone just exactly like this. For the past several months, we've been covering it for you guys. I don't want to go through the whole spiel, but we're just so happy that phase one is done, and it's done ahead of schedule. That's right. It was supposed to take, I think, another week and a half, but they worked overtime and got it done for this upcoming weekend, and it's a perfect day to be up here because the sun's finally shining and you can see the colors shine through on this boardwalk. And if you follow us at the wildwoodvideoarchive.com, you would know that the city was just granted a massive grant of over $3 million to knock out the next section of the Wildwood Boardwalk. The next blocks from Myrtle Avenue all the way to 26th Street will be taken care of this October. The wood is already coming, and the second that the season is over, they're gonna get started on that boardwalk. I figured I would give you guys a little tour of the boardwalk, but I know you really wanna see the drone video. It's a little windy today, but we'll do a little tour and then a drone video. So this is looking north up the boardwalk. You can see, obviously, we have brand new shapes. The middle goes to the left. We've got two straightaways here, and on the ends, they curve as well as like arrows pointing that way and arrows pointing that way, because obviously it's the way we kind of walk on the boardwalk. Now, I really wish there was 4D so you could smell how fresh the wood is. It smells really, really good. On top of them adding in the wood on top, they added in new steps. So let me show you over here, where you can also see brand new railings. You can see these new railings, and here you can see the new steps. They are wider because, as you guys may know, this is the spot to watch the fireworks. And I know you guys want to see under the boardwalk, so let's go ahead and do that. Under the boardwalk, out of the sun, and you can see under here, all of this has been painted and coated. It looks really, really good. They sealed this up very nicely. You can see where they repaired some of the cracks. It smells a little bit different under here. But it looks absolutely amazing. Now that you saw the boardwalk close up, let's get the drone in the sky to see what it looks like from a bird's point of view. So there you guys go. What do you guys think of the brand new Wildwood Boardwalk? It looks great, right? I can't wait till you guys can come down here, whether it's Memorial Day weekend or sooner, to check it out yourself. Anyway, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joe, and as always, I'll see you on the beach. See you later. Bye.